Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and it is Tuesday, and today we have an episode about Fidelity opening up their crypto trading desk, also BAKKT, getting ready, preparing for what could be a big couple months ahead. Now, overall market today, a little bit of red, a little bit of green, back and forth, hovering around zero. But before we get into things, guys, just wanted to say thank you to everyone subscribing. Thank you everyone to nuking the shit out of the like button. If you want to win a shirt, make sure you comment on this video and every other video, and for your chance to win. And pause the video, read the disclaimer, don't be a dummy. Now, coin market cap today, the overall market cap down $2 billion from yesterday to $210 billion. Bitcoin dominance down 0.4% to 54% total. Overall, prices have come down just a little bit, just a hair. Okay, Bitcoin is 65.74, Ethereum at 209, XRP at 45 cents, Bcash at 455, EOS at 542, Stellar 22 cents, Litecoin at 54 cents, Tether almost back to $1 from yesterday, where it was down to a low of 96 cents, Cardano at 7 cents, and Monero at $106. The big gainers for today: Mobile Go up 13.51%, Tezos up 12.33%, and Pivx up 6.51%. The big losers: Aeon down 6.54%, Eternal Token 6.31%, and mother of all chains down 5%. Now, taking a look at things, guys, we were in kind of a descending wedge for a while. Could have potentially broke out of it with all that Tether mumbo jumbo that went on yesterday. Now we're sitting outside of that wedge. Will it come back down? Will it continue to go up? We'll kind of have to see. Overall news, though, seems to be kind of good, kind of bullish. So Fidelity becomes the first Wall Street firm to launch crypto trading desk. Okay, now Fidelity Investments, which is responsible for $7.2 trillion in customer assets. That's like 35 times larger than the entire cryptocurrency market cap, revealed that they have a separate new branch focused on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum called Fidelity Digital Asset Services. So they're going to offer its existing customers access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other trusted cryptocurrencies. That's pretty good. Now, are they going to offer all of them? No. We are certainly only going to connect to those counterparties we feel good about. So they're not going to at all, but this is very good because this will allow institutional investors to enter the space, ones who have been hesitant up until this point. So in addition to executing trades for its customers, check this out. The crypto branch will also offer an offline vaulted cold storage custody solution that, when paired with Fidelity's traditional security standards, could be the missing link that finally lures institutional investors into the cryptocurrency market. So they're making it easy for people to get into crypto. They're also making it safe for people to get into crypto. And when they do that, that could be a lot of people heading into crypto. Now, what does that mean for your and my cryptocurrencies? I think Eric Voorhees said it best when he said it would be impossible for every Fidelity brokerage customer to own even one Bitcoin. This is why Bitcoins are worth thousands of dollars, while a dollar is only worth $1, and until next year when it's only worth 97 cents. So save wisely. Yes, he's got an amazing point there. Guys, they can't even own one Bitcoin. Now, right now, I mean, most of them could probably afford it, but if they try to, guess what? The price will go up because all of that stuff, supply, demand, simple economics. If they want to buy a Bitcoin, they can't. Now, also, we're seeing news about BAKKT. The BAKKT CEO, now BAKKT, you guys remember from ICE, this is like ETFs but not ETFs. They are about to see a cryptocurrency revolution. Basically what they say is that they can deliver a cryptocurrency revolution similar to the way energy trading existed 15 years ago. So what they're saying is the digital market is fragmented like the energy market in the early 2000s. ICE, which is the people who put together the Intercontinental Exchange, put together BAKKT, was the pioneer attracting more and more institutions to trade energy, which is what created today's liquid market. We're about to see a revolution of the same scale in cryptocurrencies. So right now we just have some retail investors in cryptocurrencies, getting more institutional investors, getting more liquidity, all of that stuff could potentially help the prices of cryptocurrencies move up. We might get out of this little wedge we've been seeing that's been going on forever. forever and ever and ever. Or it could go on a bit longer, but it may not. Now, other stuff in the news today. Waltonchain has introduced their IOT CT03 UHF RFID ceramic antenna. So they are continuing to develop, creating IoT devices for the blockchain. Cardano 1.3.1 came out today, or yesterday, I think, right? Or today. I'm not exactly sure of the date. But, so that, moving the chains, Hoskinson continuing to move forward. BAKKT, they're continuing to develop. So yesterday, Charlie Lee was in the news talking about how he likes Monero. Well, one of the other ones he mentioned he likes is BAKKT, and BAKKT is turning its entire $21 million crypto treasury over to investors. Now, what they've got going on is they've got this thing called Politeia. So that's their governance software. And basically, it builds on BAKKT's existing approach of combining proof of stake and proof of work consensus by attempting to turn all governance decisions to those actively participating in the operation of its protocol at the time of any given decision. Now, how does that work? I'm glad you asked. So currently, people who stake BAKKT tokens just verify blocks. But once the Politeia thing is live, people who are waiting to turn their block verifications will also be able to vote on the proposals. So that's a brand new way of governance for BAKKT. It's important to understand that Politeia is a very powerful tool. It can enable all manner of positive developments for BAKKT, but if used unwisely, it can lead to a wide variety of problems. So we'll kind of have to see what happens with that. The headline of this article, it gives holders of cryptocurrency a way to exercise control over every aspect of the project, meaning that it puts the $21 million treasury in their hands. So we'll kind of have to see how that goes. Now, lastly, little bit of news for those of you who hang around to the end of the episodes. Nasdaq planning to use Ravencoin to launch a security token platform. Guys, if you haven't taken a look at Ravencoin, take a look at Ravencoin. This is potentially one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the coming time. A lot of people talking about it recently. It's a fork of Bitcoin. It had no pre-mine. It had no ICO. It has a very strong development team, and it does asset-to-asset transfers, ass-to-ass, as I like to say. And get this, potentially could be being used for T0 and also Nasdaq. So T0 is going to be a huge security token exchange offering thing. Could potentially be using Ravencoin. That could be big, potentially. So do your own research. Obviously not. I started investing in Ravencoin not too long ago. So that's looking good. This article here talks about all the good things about it. This is Patrick Byrne from Overstock, one of the first people who accepted Bitcoin at a store. He says Ravencoin, he thinks it's Bitcoin 3.0. Now, additionally, he goes on to say that they should disclose they have over 60 million Ravencoin. So they spent a couple million bucks on Ravencoin. But who knows? It could become something. It might not. But right now, it's like 120th on CoinMarketCap. We can take a look at that real fast. Just because, guys, if you were to ask me what I would put my money into right now, it would probably be this. Yeah, 2 cents right now. Price could be going up quite a bit, potentially. But anyways, that's a little secret for those of you who watch the episodes all the way through, because I like to hide little stuff in there. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to get on the newsletter, go to crypto-love.com, enter your email address there. You'll be put in the newsletter. It's a badass newsletter, if I do say myself. I even read it myself. It's awesome. Also, guys, if you want to be part of the best trading signals group out there, my opinion, okay, there is a link down in the description for Signal Profits. You get 2 weeks for $7. Guys, the trades are badass. I've been making money doing it, and it's pretty darn easy. I'm going to make a video soon how to use Signal Profits, because it is pretty simple. You just set your buy orders, set a stop loss, set your sell orders, and basically set it and forget it. It is that simple, and making pretty good profits doing it. So check that out. Now let's give away a shirt. Yesterday we had 2 videos, a Tether video and the Tether live stream. All right, so 1 and 2, ready? Boom, 1, the news video yesterday. One of you news watchers is going to get, on everybody, happy Monday, is going to get the shirt. So good luck, everybody. I hope you all win. Even though you all can't win, it's like Bitcoin. Not everybody can have one. 57 comments, and the winner is Colossal Collective. Send me a shirt and I'll wear it when I fight next year. Dude, Colossal Collective, email me at the email on my About page. I will send you a shirt, and when you fight next year, you'll be wearing my shirt. Awesome. Love it. Catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.